Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to change this 24 hours time to AM PM mode. Okay, you can see here now it is on 32, that means 10 PM 32 minutes. Okay, you can simply change this by go to your settings, then go to system settings, then you can find date and time. Okay, then you can see there is an option 24 hours format is turned on. You can simply tap here, then it will be changed. You can see the changes here 10:32. So in this way you can simply change your 24 hours time to normal 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.